Hello, hello, hello. I'm trying to lose money right now. I'll see if I can be successful at it. How's everybody doing tonight? I'm doing a bankroll challenge right now on my ACR. I had a lot of fun in jackpots and other games with 7-2 and 10-3 and hands I should never, ever, ever play. This is the bankroll current situation right here. We're doing great. This is fine. Everything is fine. This is the week. These are bad hands. Very bad. Okay, we missed. Abort mission! This is fine. Everything is fine. Let's just say that did not end well. I have 12 big blinds. I am not in last place, which is promising. Nobody fools around in poker, ever. Nobody plays 7-2 offsuit. Or 10-3 off, which is my new 7-2. Don't tell anyone. Mike's like, it's going well. 7-2. We're gonna limp in. I never do dumb stuff like this anymore. This is not how my bankroll got deleted. Look, I already know I'm gonna flop a full house with this. Actually, it's so funny. Every time I play this hand, I'm like, full house, full house, full house, full house, full house. It's the only reasonable ask whenever you play 7-2. Because you can't have a straight. Really hard to get a flush. So, we're just gonna aim for the moon, full house. See, look at that. I just need a 5. Gut shot now. 5 feels really good. Look. We're gonna bet a quarter here. We're gonna scare them a little bit. They both checked. This is my hand to win right now. Look, they're gonna fold. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh no, that was a terrible card for me. Look. We're gonna check. I don't like the king. I don't like the queen either. The smart thing to do here would be to check. But I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna bet half pot. Please catch Molly, thank you. It's fine. Everything is fine. Wish I could search. Here we go. Bam. Alright, I am negative on 7-2 off right now, but not by much. Our mission in life is to make this a positive blinds situation. Wait, that one hand is the only hand I've won. That's hilarious. I jokingly said I was the 7-2 aficionado. Self-proclaimed. It's gonna happen. Nope. Can't survive it anymore. I am drawing dead. But I still get to 60 cents! So we still got the money. Thank you all for taking your sweet ass time. I really appreciate it.